Them dirt roads ain't go down here. It's hell on earth, anything goes down here. Looking for some holy water at the water hole, but the only thing you're finding is whiskey and beer. Thank y'all for tuning in once again. It's Odom's Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. Today, coming at you with a video for Homestead Aquarius. I think today is the beginning of the I think it's called Potted Up Challenge. I'm not for sure. But yeah, it's where you grow a vegetable in a pot. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I think I'm gonna choose some new seeds that I got from Gerber. This is tomatoes, giant pink Belgiums. I got a pot right here that I got that blueberry out of that I got for $13, or almost 14. And I'm gonna put me about 3 or 4 in here. Yeah, I'm gonna put me 3 or 4 in here. They all come up, which they should. Then I just transplant them out. I'm gonna put more than 3 or 4. I'm gonna put actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them in there. I'm trying to grow as much food as we can this year, and can is twice as much as we usually can. Yeah, we put 7 in there. All I'm gonna do, country boy, I'm just gonna pop a few holes in here. And all this is soil that I had set. Actually, was soil I took out of that raised bed that I had over there last year. I'm gonna pop them in these holes. So I'm going about an inch down. If they all come up, I'll transplant them out and keep one in a pot, probably a 5-gallon bucket. Make some special soil for that though. And now, all I gotta do is water it in. Homestead Aquarius, on and going. Odom's Homestead, growing is my passion.